Welcome you all to another one of my DIY videos. Now, today is a great day because I am so excited to start and complete this project. Now, we are going to install and also review this product here. This video is being sponsored by a great outdoor company. Aecojoy is a great company from Amazon where you actually will find everything you need for your outdoor needs. That you simply just go to Amazon, type Aecojoy, Aecojoy, and there you will see all of what they have, and they do have a variety of everything you need for your outdoor needs. But today we're focusing on this right here, this great retractable patio awning. At the end of this video, I will be giving you a way where you can actually get this product at a discounted price. The first thing I noticed here, it comes with this great booklet here that has all the instructions that you're gonna need to install the awning. It is imperative to make sure that everything that is listed here on the part list that you're supposed to have, you actually do have. Because let's say if there's a part here you don't have and you didn't look, and you start installing and now you have to stop and go call the company and do all that. So it's important to make sure that everything you're supposed to have, you have. In this case, I have it all over here. I'm not missing anything at all. So now I'm ready to start putting everything together. So let's go. Also, make sure you have all these tools that are required. It's not a whole lot. Step number one, basically we've already done that. We prepared a workspace. We make sure we have everything, all the pieces that are required. So we're gonna jump to step number two. Right here, you can pause the video so you can go through them. All right, so now we're moving on to step three. Step number four. One very important part of step four is this warning here that tells you do not cut the strings until the awning is all finished. So basically this string right here, you have to keep it on. Make sure you don't cut it until you're finished to install everything. Step four continues on the next page here. All right, so now we're going directly to step five, right over here. Perfect. So when you complete step 5 all the way, your product should look something like this. Step 6 right here. Again, take a little time to look over it, read it, so you can follow the instructions. It is important, especially on the last step we just did, step 5. It is very important to follow the instructions properly because you can mess up if you don't. So you can actually finally cut this off after you finish to assemble the whole thing. All right, so now we all done with the Awning assembly. We're gonna move over to the wall mounting part. Read through all the instructions. The specifications are right here on page 12, and you move to the next page where you continue to read, where you get instructions and everything on what you should do and how you should do it. For example, as you look over here, you can see those screws right here are for woods, and those right here, they're actually for concrete. So I'm gonna be utilizing the 6 that are for wood because I don't have a concrete house. And once you do all that, you should be ready for step 1, which is right over here. Now it's time to measure that way we can know exactly where we're gonna put the screws to mount the Awning. I'm going to use my nice laser level right here. That way I can make sure it's level properly. We just completed step 1 through 4. So now we're gonna go ahead and complete step 5, which is mounting the Awning. That way, this is basically the last step. So I'm getting a little excited to see how it's gonna turn out. Let's do it. Okay, this step right here, I strongly recommend that you do not do it on your own because, yeah, it takes at least 2 people to do this. I didn't have anybody, so I went ahead and struggled and finally got it up there. But again, 2 people with 2 ladder. That way, you can be secure. Everybody can be safe. All right, moment of truth, y'all. Let's see how this thing turned out. I'm nervous. Let's go. You think it's actually good? I don't know. We'll see. And there you have it, folks. Beautiful, well installed. Look at it, man. Look at it. I like it. It's pretty nice. Now, the first thing you gotta keep in mind, you gotta follow this instruction guide right here. It's very important. For you to install this, you need this, definitely. I didn't think it would turn out this way, but this is pretty cool. I like that. As promised, I told you guys at the end of this video, I'll tell you how you can actually get this particular product at a discounted price. So here's what you gotta do, right? Go to our description below. You will find a link. Now, once you click on the link, it will take you exactly to this 13 feet by 18 feet Aecojoy retractable sunshade Awning. Once you get there, once you select this product at checkout, you just apply this code right here. It's again down below, 05 DIY Travel. That's 05 DIY-TRAVEL, all capital letters. Now, once you enter this, you'll get 5% off. Whenever you guys go ahead and install yours, let me know how it turned out. Mine is pretty good, as you can see. I like it. I didn't even expect it to be that good. I'm being honest. So this is pretty cool. Check them out, guys, and thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.